heavy snow is going to be a major issue here in Dundalk, Maryland. We're at 31 degrees. We have just a little bit of snow left from last night's event, but a lot more snow is on the way, 3 to 6 inches, and a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service that goes into effect here around 3 a.m. So it's a couple more hours and it'll get going. We have precip developing down the Mississippi Valley right now in Tennessee. We have heavy returns, and that should progress northward, producing 1 to 2 inch an hour snowfall rates in the morning. And that's going to be a major issue for travelers. So if you don't have to be on the roads, please stay off the roads in the morning. There'll be a lot of school closures, government closures, anything of that sort. Morning is going to be one crazy situation. It's much similar to the January 26, 2011 event, which hit in the afternoon rush for places around D.C. and Baltimore, and this event's going to be very similar to that. So just keep that in mind. We had radiational cooling kind of going on now, as we had a little fog earlier in some spots, but the fog is wearing off. So with that being said, remember, it's going to be icy on the roads with the fog and the black ice freezing thanks to a little bit of the mist, and road crews are going to have a lot of trouble keeping up with 1 to 2 inch an hour rates for a 3 to 4 hour period in the morning. So 4 to 6 inches, Dundalk, Maryland, temperatures around 30 with potentially whiteout conditions and very bad travel in the morning. This is Forecaster Ryan. Hope you have a good evening and stay safe.
Forecaster Zach Briscoe here in Greencastle, Pennsylvania. We've had 4 inches of snow yesterday, and we got 2 inches left after some compacting in Mountain. With this storm coming up tomorrow, we're expecting 4 to 6 inches here, and the rates could be heavy at times, 1 to 2 inches per hour, we're thinking. And we're not going to waste too much time on saturating the atmosphere with this one as we did the last one, because the air is plenty saturated. We had a lot of fog earlier, but that has burned off now with a little bit of wind is coming in. The snow should start sometime around 5 to 6 in the morning and pick up really heavy snow sometime around 7 or 8 o'clock. And snow should be out of here pretty quickly. 2 o'clock we should start to be clearing out with the snow. So it's going to be a pretty quick thumping of snow, 6 to 8 hours of some heavy snow. And it's going to start out kind of light, maybe about 1/4 to 1/2 inch per hour. Then we're going to get that 1 to 2 inch per hour stuff. And then it will taper off again back to about 1/4 to 1/2 inch per hour. So let's go take a look at radar right now. And taking a look at radar, we have a snow band here from Missouri up into Ohio. It's starting to put down some snow. There's 4-inch amounts here back into Springfield, and then we got this area of precipitation here moving up into Tennessee. These two are going to come together as they head towards West Virginia, and then we're going to start to see that precipitation field expand, and this is where we could start to see those 1 to 2 inch per hour rates start forming in eastern Kentucky up into West Virginia, and then later in the morning start pushing towards northern Virginia, Maryland, southern Pennsylvania, and then later on in the day towards New Jersey and up into New York. So we will continue to keep you updated on this storm as it gets closer and continue to post radar updates. Stay tuned to the Hazardous Weather Prediction Center.